pronoun is a kind of word that is used in place of a noun, so that we don't repeat the noun. For example, I like Mr. Brown. He is a pilot. Here, Mr. Brown is a noun. In the second sentence, we refer to him as he. So, he is a pronoun. You are an honest man. Emily is a girl. She is beautiful. Bring the key and give it to me. They are running. He bought a bicycle. It is blue. We are watching them. Here, I, you, he, she, it, they, we, me, them are all pronouns. Some other pronouns are mine, your, their, her, him,